Very good afternoon, children. Myself, L.K. Tripathi, SST teacher from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. You know very well, students, we have been studying chapter 2nd of economics, that is poverty as a challenge. In a earlier discussion, we have come to know much more things related to this chapter. Now we have a new point, that is poverty estimates. What is poverty estimates? This lecture will make you know about this. So listen carefully and observe it carefully. It is clear from table 3.1. Table 3.1 is there in your book, which you have to follow, and I will also elaborate this table earlier in coming time. Earlier I have told something about this. In coming time I will make you much more. It is clear from table 3.1 that there is a substantial decline in poverty ratios in India from about 45% in 93 to 94 to 37.32% in 2004 and 5. This is the substantial decline in poverty ratio. We can say day by day, year by year, the condition of poverty reduce and betterment came in the country related to the poverty ratio. Here you can watch 45% in 93 to 94. ऐसी कंडीशन 93-94 में 45% थी. 37.2% 2004-05 में हो गई. तो इतना इसका रिडक्शन हुआ, करीब 5-6-7% तक ये कम हुई. द प्रोपोर्शन ऑफ पीपल बिलो पॉवर्टी लाइन फर्दर केम डाउन to about 20% in 2011-12. Now rapidly it changed up to 2011-12. It decreases up to 22%. अब यहाँ से 22% रह गई 37% से लेकर के. If the trend continues, people below poverty line may come down to less than 20% in the next few years. अगर ऐसे ही चलता रहा, कंडीशन सब कुछ नॉर्मल रही, ठीक रही, तो द पॉवर्टी कंडीशन will reduce up to 20% in next few years. Although the percentage of people living under poverty declined in the earlier 2 decades, the number of poor declined from 407 million in 2004-05 to 270 million in 2011-12, with an average annual decline of 2.2 percentage points during 2004-05 to 2011-12. Estimates of poverty in India. ये तेंदुलकर मेथोडोलॉजी है. अब इसको हम कैसे एस्टिमेट करते हैं पावर्टी को, जो इंडिया में पावर्टी रेशियो यहाँ देखिए 0% है. नंबर ऑफ पुअर मिलियंस में देखिए, ईयर देखिए 1993 to 94. रूरल एरिया में पावर्टी रेशियो 507 है, अर्बन में 32 है, टोटल 45%. ये इतना बड़ा डिफरेंस है. तो कंसिडरेबली वी कैन से द रूरल कंडीशन वाज वेरी पुअर दोज डेज. there was a substantial crisis among the people living in this area. Better condition deserved by urban people. Poverty 45% तक थी. 2004-2005 में कहाँ है? रूरल में सीधे घटी 42% हुई, अर्बन में ये बढ़ के 26% हो गई. तो वी कैन से फ्रेंकली अर्बन कंडीशन बिकेम abnormal and ratio was 37%. परसेंटेज तो कम हुआ, लेकिन जो पावर्टी रेशियो एमंग रूरल एंड अर्बन था वो कन्वर्ट हो गया. अब देखते हैं 2009-10 में 34% इन रूरल, 21% इन अर्बन, टोटल 30%. 11-12 में इट डिक्लाइन, रूरल कंडीशन became good, then urban condition 20% rural, urban 14%. Total percentage was 22. Number of poor in million, रूरल एरिया में 329, अर्बन में 75. ईयर वाइज देखते हैं. कंबाइंड 404, 326 रूरल, 81 urban, 407 combined. 278, 70 combined this much. In this way we can observe this table deeply and clearly we can know about the condition of poverty in the country, separately in rural and urban areas. अब चलते हैं वल्नरेबल ग्रुप्स. वल्नरेबल ग्रुप्स कौन से हैं? प्रोपोर्शन ऑफ पीपल बिलो पॉवर्टी लाइन डू नॉट सेम फॉर ऑल सोशल ग्रुप्स एंड इकोनॉमिक कैटेगरीज इन इंडिया. सोशल ग्रुप्स विच आर मोस्ट वल्नरेबल टू पॉवर्टी आर शेड्यूल कास्ट एंड शेड्यूल ट्राइब्स हाउस होल्ड. ये हम मान के चलते हैं जो वल्नरेबल ग्रुप है, जो पिछड़ा तबका है इसमें, वो शेड्यूल कास्ट हैं, शेड्यूल ट्राइब्स हैं. इनके पास बहुत कम संसाधन है. दे बिलोंग फ्रॉम पॉवर्टी लाइन. सिमिलरली एमंग द इकोनॉमिक ग्रुप्स द मोस्ट वल्नरेबल ग्रुप्स आर द रूरल एग्रीकल्चरल ग्रुप्स और द रूरल एग्रीकल्चरल लेबर households and the urban casual labor households. Graph 3.1 shows the percentage of poor people in all these groups. Although the average for people below poverty line for all groups in India is 22. 43 out of 100 people belonging to scheduled caste, scheduled tribes are not able to meet their basic needs. Similarly, 34% of casual workers in urban areas are below poverty line. You can see here the condition of people living in urban and rural areas. About 34% of casual laborers farm and 29% of scheduled castes are also poor. The double disadvantage of being a landless casual wage labor household in the socially disadvantaged social groups of the scheduled caste or the scheduled tribe population highlights the seriousness of the problem. Some recent studies have shown that, except for the scheduled tribe households, all the other three groups, that is scheduled caste, rural agricultural laborers, and the urban casual labor household, have seen a decline in poverty in the 1990s. Apart from these social groups, there is also inequality of incomes with a family. In poor families, all suffer, but some suffer more than others. In some cases, women, elderly people, and female infants are denied equal access to resources available to the family. Now here is a story of Shiv Raman. What type of person this? From which group he belongs? Shiv Raman lives in a small village near Karur town in Tamil Nadu. Karur is famous for its handloom and powerloom fabrics. There are 100 families in the village. Shiv Raman and Ayunthinthia by caste now works as an agricultural laborer for rupees 160 per day. But that is only for 5 to 6 months in a year. At other times, he does odd jobs in the town. His wife Shashikala too works with him, but she can rarely find work these days. And even if she does, she is paid rupees 100 per day for the same work. That Shiv Raman does. There are 8 members in the family. Shiv Raman's 65 years old widow's mother is ill. Mean to say that how can a person survive the family in this much less amount needs to be helped with her daily course. He has a 25 years old unmarried sister and 4 children aged between 1 to 16 years. 3 of them are girls. The youngest buying books and youngest is a son. None of the girls go to school. Buying books and other things he cannot things for school. Going girls is a luxury he cannot afford. Also, he has to get them married at some points of time. So he does not want to spend on their education now. His mother has lost interest in life and is just waiting to die someday. His sister and elder daughter take care of the household. Shiv Raman plans to send his son to school when he comes of age. His unmarried sister does not get along with his wife. Shashikala finds her a burden, but Shiv Raman cannot find a suitable groom due to lack of money. Although the family has difficulty in arranging 2 meals a day, Shiv Raman manages to buy milk, once in a while, but only for his son. So we can say how difficult condition he faces in his life. Here इंटर स्टेट डिस्पैरिटीज को हम देखते हैं. Poverty in India also has another aspect or dimension. The proportion of poor people is not the same in every state. Although state level poverty has witnessed a secular decline from the levels of early 70s, the success rate of reducing poverty varies from state to state. Recent estimates shows while the all India head count ratio was 21.9% in 2011-12, states like Madhya Pradesh, Assam, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and Odisha had above all India poverty level. As the graph 3.2 shows, Bihar and Odisha continue to be the two poorest states with poverty ratio of 33.7 and 32.6% respectively. Along with rural poverty, urban poverty is also high in Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. We can say still much more things to do to improve the condition of people. In comparison, there has been a significant decline in poverty in Kerala, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat and West Bengal. States like Punjab and Haryana have traditionally succeeded in reducing poverty with the help of high agricultural growth rates. Kerala has focused more on human resource development. In West Bengal, land reform measures have helped in reducing poverty. In Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu, public distribution of food grains could have been responsible for the improvement. In this way, we can say the poverty ratio removed rapidly from the India, but still much more things to do to minimize it in the country, and until it does not go to the 0% level, we cannot stop ourselves to act in this field. So, effort is going on by the government, by other groups of the government to reduce at very low rate. Thank you. Have a nice day.